There's something so pure about seeing a child smile, especially when they're fighting battles we can see. These Jollibee meals, they're not just food, they're love wrapped in warmth. When I saw their faces light up, murag natuna akong kasing-kasing. Behind every smile is a courage, and behind every small act of kindness, there's hope. Makaingon ko nga, bisan gamay ra, basta gikan sa kasing-kasing, dako na gyud kaayog kalipay. I'm beyond grateful nga nahimong parte ko ani. These children reminded me that strength doesn't always look loud. Sometimes it's quiet, gentle, and full of faith. May we continue to spread kindness no matter how small, because every act of love brings light and every smile brings healing. Daghang salamat, padayon sa pag-ayo, mga batang kampyon.